What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol AMC for AMC Entertainment, of course, the infamous short squeeze movie theater. On the left-hand side, we are looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. What you'll notice is that this, of course, will be more of an update. We've covered it multiple times in the channel, on the channel over the past couple of weeks, months, and of course, we are falling out of this bullish pattern in here. Obviously, good for a couple of day trades to the upside on the break of 47.82, but since then, and again, it's been a little while since we've talked about it, but making our way back down towards this magnet at $40. Notice that we've touched it here, spent a lot of time interacting with it here, and used it as support on this lowest portion of that pennant triangle that we had just drawn in here. So I do think it needs to resolve 40 before ultimately giving us the next direction. The reason I also think that is because if we do something like this, noting that that's kind of the range, right? It's not quite, but very close to about 50% of the range. And if you've watched the channel for any period of time, you basically know that your edge is not here. It's quite literally at the edges, right? You're either looking for a breakout higher here or reversion to the mean. And the same thing at the bottom, right? You're looking for reversion to the mean or a breakdown. Unless, of course, there's an obvious pattern that's happening, which is why we were so keen on this sort of bull flag right in here. So regardless, that's an overall, 90,000 foot view of AMC. And as it sits right now, the only things that you need to be watching into the future here is simply this range, right? So if we can take out the highs here or the lows down here, that's going to set off a move, which I would imagine would be rather directional, right? So over 42, we'll call it, I would argue that we make our way back up towards the breakout point here at the 48 handle. Underneath 38, again, just using the 8s today, it sounds like. So underneath the lows in here, then I would imagine we make our way back down towards the 32.25. Now, why is that the number to watch? Well, it's simply the low end of the range, right? A couple of stragglers coinciding outside, but a majority of the price action was contained above that number right there, 32.25. So that's sort of all there is to watch in AMC. It's either over 42 or under 38, and you have the targets associated with each of those breaks here. That's all it's going to be. So if you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, definitely let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.